Good afternoon. We're about to go work out, but later on today I want to do a DIY on this camera strap that I saw on Instagram using paracord and some shackles and a trigger snap. So I want to do it DIY it myself because it was about $50 and I am not about that life. So I'm going to take you along with me and I'm going to show you the materials that I'm going to get at the store. Just got out of the gym. At our gym, the free weight section or like the dumbbell section is so unorganized. People leave things everywhere. You're looking for like a set of 10s or a set of 5s and they're like in the middle of nowhere. What is that? Like why? Like why don't people put them away in their designated spot? I want to know, is your gym like this? Like, is your gym unorganized or is it just our gym? You know? So I'm so curious because I hate this gym just because of that reason. Got my latte. It's so awkward because the barista questioned my order. She said we don't usually put Splenda or sugar in lattes. What? Hello? It's what I want. It's like what the customer asked for. Like, do it. Like, why question it? On our way to Lowe's to get our supplies to make my DIY camera strap. And for those of you who don't know, I'm a photographer slash filmmaker. My husband and I film weddings and I do photography as well. We're at Hobby Lobby because Lowe's didn't have anything, so I'm hoping I can find something here. They had him $2.99, so I'm so excited. Hopefully this is enough. Oops. Hopefully these are enough. So I'm gonna do this one. I'm gonna do 2 separate ones. So got him. Okay, so I also found these little hooks here that I needed at the sewing section. So I'm gonna get these, and they have other colors too. They're gold, brass, and like crazy orange gold. So yeah. So one more thing I need. The store is gonna close in 30 minutes, so we're like in a little time crunch. I found the last thing that I needed. It's this little like horseshoe thing. Hobby Lobby was a success. Got everything I needed. It's the next day. My camera cut off yesterday, so couldn't continue the video, but I finished my DIY and let me tell you, it came out very well, better than I ever expected. Surprise giveaway, I am giving away 1 camera strap. All you have to do is be subscribed to this channel, like the video, and comment down below that you want a camera strap. That easy. That is it for my video. Thank you so much for watching. If you did like it, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. All right, bye.